If you want to connect a GoDaddy domain to your server, the process is actually very quick once you know where to click. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to update your name servers so your domain points to your hosting provider. If this helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your GoDaddy account using the email and password connected to your domain. Once you're inside your account dashboard, look for My Products. This is where all of your domains and services are listed. From there, find your domain and open the DNS settings. Inside DNS, look for the Nameservers section. This is the part that controls where your domain is pointed on the internet. When you open it, you'll see the option to change name servers. GoDaddy usually gives you default name servers, but if you already have hosting, you'll want to replace those with the name servers provided by your hosting company. Make sure you copy them exactly as they were given to you because even a small typo can stop the connection from working correctly. Paste the new name servers into the fields, double check everything, and then click Save. After that, your domain will begin pointing to your server. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take some time to fully update across the internet, so don't worry if it doesn't work instantly. It may take a few minutes or sometimes longer before everything is fully connected. Once propagation finishes, your GoDaddy domain should be linked to your hosting server and ready to use. If this video saved you time, please like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks for watching.